Look at this shit here, man. A fucking dust storm. Can't see shit. Look like Saudi Arabia. Oh, that's not a good idea. Wow, completely. Where the fuck I go, man? Are you fucking kidding me? Never seen this before. Wow. That's unbelievable. Wow. Now that was crazy. Look at this shit, man. Look at this stupid idiot. Oh, you dumb, stupid motherfucker. Straight stupid. This idiot gonna jump on the freeway. If you can't fucking see here, what the fuck? Another idiot.